In the vast tapestry of time, countless civilizations have risen, flourished, and faded into the whispers of history. Welcome to a special extended episode of EpicEarthDaily, where we embark on a journey beyond the pages of history books, into the heart of the world's most enigmatic ancient civilizations. Remember, history is not just about the past. It's a light that illuminates the future. Subscribe to EpicEarthDaily, and let's explore the mysteries that time has almost forgotten. Our journey begins with Atlantis, the crown jewel of ancient mysteries, has captured the human imagination for centuries. Explore with us the latest theories about its location, from the depths of the Atlantic Ocean to the plains of Antarctica. Hear from leading archaeologists and oceanographers on why the search for Atlantis continues to fascinate and elude us. Was Atlantis a technologically advanced utopia, or merely a philosophical construct of Plato to teach lessons on hubris and morality? The legendary island nation, whose advanced society and sudden disappearance have intrigued scholars and dreamers alike. Did it vanish beneath the ocean waves? Or was it merely a philosophical allegory created by Plato? The debate continues, but the legend of Atlantis remains a symbol of mystery and lost knowledge. Next, we explore the Mayan civilization, renowned for its astronomical knowledge, monumental architecture, and mysterious collapse. The Mayan civilization, known for its architectural prowess and deep astronomical understanding, offers a window into a world where the jungle, stars, and human ingenuity intertwined. Discover the significance of their pyramids, aligned with celestial bodies, and how these structures were central to Mayan culture, religion, and everyday life. Delve into the mystery of their calendar system, often misunderstood as predicting the end of the world. The Maya left behind an indelible mark on Central America, with their abandoned cities whispering stories of glory and despair. If you're intrigued by the tales of ancient civilizations and their enduring legacies, don't forget to subscribe to EpicEarthDaily. Join our community of explorers and history enthusiasts to never miss out on our daily adventures into the past. Venture into the heart of southern Africa to uncover the story of Great Zimbabwe, a medieval city of stone towers, walls, and palaces. Learn about its role as a major trading center, dealing in gold, ivory, and the arts. Archaeologists and historians discuss its sophisticated society and the reasons behind its mysterious decline. Great Zimbabwe stands as a testament to Africa's rich history, often overlooked in the narratives of ancient civilizations. Lemuria, a continent lost in time, believed to lie somewhere in the Indian or Pacific Ocean, a name that evokes visions of a paradise lost beneath the waves. Explore the origins of this myth and its connection to theories of continental drift and ancient human migrations. What can geological surveys and genetic studies tell us about the possibility of a lost continent? Examine the cultural and spiritual legacy of Lemuria in regions around the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Its advanced inhabitants, the Lemurians, are said to have lived in harmony with nature until their homeland sank, leaving no trace but folklore and speculation. The Indus Valley civilization, flourishing along the fertile plains of modern-day Pakistan and India, was marked by remarkable urban planning, sophisticated craftsmanship, and undeciphered script. Their sudden decline remains one of the great mysteries of the ancient world. Enjoying this journey through the architectural marvels of the ancient world? Make sure to subscribe to EpicEarthDaily and turn on notifications. Dive deeper with us into the mysteries that history has to offer, one story at a time. The Anasazi, ancestors of the Pueblones, carved out a living from the harsh desert of the American Southwest. Their impressive cliff dwellings stand as a testament to their ingenuity and resilience. Yet by the 14th century, these structures were mysteriously abandoned. On the island of Crete, the Minoan civilization blossomed as Europe's first advanced society. Famous for their palatial complexes, vibrant art, and the enigmatic disappearance. The Minoans laid the groundwork for Greek mythology and culture. Fascinated by the stories of ancient civilizations? Hit the subscribe button and join us on Epic Earth Daily for daily dives into the mysteries of our past. The Khmer Empire, once the jewel of Southeast Asia, built the majestic temples of Angkor, a testament to their architectural genius and spiritual devotion. Yet, this mighty empire declined, leaving behind ruins cloaked in jungle vines. Emerging in Mesopotamia, the Sumerians were pioneers of the written word, inventing cuneiform script. Their ziggurats and city-states like Uruk and Ur were centers of trade and culture, until their civilization blended into the empires that followed. Our journey through the echoes of the past reveals not only the impermanence of empires, but also the resilience of human curiosity and ingenuity. Each stone uncovered, each glyph deciphered, brings us closer to understanding our shared heritage. As we continue to explore the mysteries left behind by these remarkable civilizations, we invite you to ponder the lessons they offer for our future. Enjoying this journey through the architectural marvels of the ancient world, make sure to subscribe to Epic Earth Daily and turn on notifications. Dive deeper with us into the mysteries that history has to offer, one story at a time. Before the rise of Rome, the Etruscans thrived in what is now Italy, known for their rich culture, advanced metalworking, and mysterious language. Their influence on Roman culture is undeniable, yet much about them remains shrouded in mystery. The Sea Peoples, a confederation of naval raiders, terrorized the civilizations of the Mediterranean during the Late Bronze Age. Their invasions contributed to the collapse of several ancient powers, yet their origins and fate remain one of history's enigmas. As we conclude our voyage through the annals of lost civilizations, we're reminded of the impermanence of empires and the enduring quest for understanding. For more enlightening explorations into our planet's past, mysteries, and wonders, be sure to subscribe to Epic Earth Daily. Join us tomorrow as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Earth. As the stars once guided ancient navigators through uncharted waters, so too does our quest for knowledge guide us through the annals of history. Thank you for joining us on this extended voyage with Epic Earth Daily. As the stars once guided ancient navigators through uncharted waters, so too does our quest for knowledge guide us through the annals of history. Your curiosity fuels our journey into the mysteries of our world and beyond. Remember, every story we've explored today